My first guest joins me in studio. He's a very proud man right now, Mr. Riggs Eckelberry. He is the CEO of Origin Oil. OOIL is the stock symbol. Riggs, welcome to the program.
And it's a wonderful week. It
is a wonderful week for you. I've got a lot to cover. We'll go right into it. But I say you're a proud man because your company is the subject of an article in Popular Science magazine. Tell us
We've been holding on to this for over a month because, of course, of print publication deadlines. But here it is. It is the Popular Science Best of What's New 25th Annual. And we're one of the 100 innovations of the year. And here it is. So, super excited.
Well, for those of you who have not read Popular Science, I mean, this is extremely significant because Popular Science is to the scientific community what Sports Illustrated is to the sports community. I mean, this is a significant piece of news here.
And guys and gals love it. I was amazed. We've had so much feedback. I was in New York for 2 days, and of course, the press thought it was great. But I was getting, during that time, I was getting emails from all the people we know, and they're like, "This is incredible. I've read this for years," etc.
Yeah, I can remember the first time I picked up a Popular Science. I was probably in the 5th or 6th grade, and we were basically peering into the future. And now here you are, your company, your quotes, right in that magazine.
Oh my gosh, yeah. Entry-level algae harvester. Origin Oil created this compact unit to lower the barriers to entry for algae harvesting. Same issue as the electric super sedan of Tesla Model S.
Amazing. Now, I can remember, we've been following your company now for right around 3 years. I remember the very first time we had you on the program, I think one of the questions I asked you, and I know you get asked this question a lot, is when will we be able to go to a gas station and fill up our car with algae-based fuel? And you actually have an answer for me now.
Well, this has been a refrain for years, Riggs, when can I fill up my car with algae-based fuel? And sure enough, this week, Solazyme's diesel product is now on sale in the Bay Area at 4 stations at competitive prices to conventional diesel, and it's much cleaner, of course.
So has there been a week in the history of the company where the technology and the concept of the industry has been validated more than this week?
Well, I feel like the direct response guys on TV, and there's more. Because this week at the Green Build Conference in San Francisco, our joint venture, Enesis, presented this urban algae concept of algae being grown on roofs and walls, which is starting to really take over because it also does energy and purifies the wastewater, and it's these compact systems. So they're doing fantastically. And there's so much more that literally with reporters, I was almost overwhelming them with news. It was a wonderful week.
It's kind of interesting, and it's also a proud moment for me because, we're in our 17th year of doing this program, and when I conceived this concept all those years ago, it was companies like this that I was thinking about, where we would get involved with you at the very beginning, start talking to you about what the company had, your goals, aspirations, and then watch you develop during that period of time, and look where you are now.
And we've only just begun, Don.
Oh, I know that. You've only just begun. There's so much more. So as CEO of the company, I mean,
yes.
This must be just, I said proud at the beginning, but you must be feeling just really tremendous about the future of this company.
Well, because we're in multiple, it's a hub technology with multiple spokes, now primarily in energy, so algae and also this oil and gas thing. It's going so fast. The deal flow is amazing. People know the technology works, and now we're just trying to keep up with the excitement.
So let me ask about that, because I mean, you get in a magazine like this, I'm sure the phone's going to start ringing, the email is going to start burning right through the computer. I mean, how does a company at your stage of development handle all this incoming request, I guess, is back of a better word? Well,
frankly, we're a licensing company. We're like Dolby. You can't go to Dolby and I want a Dolby. It's a thing that goes in other people's machines. Right. So, the algae appliance is in Popular Science, and it costs, $35,000 to $50,000, sure enough. But you need to be interested in scaling up much bigger. It's not going to be a backyard product right now. But it means that we're able to deliver a lot of these machines that dewater the algae very, very quickly and safely. And the big guys are all over it.
Stock symbols OOIL. The company is Origin Oil. Their website is originoil.com. Riggs, all I can say is congratulations.
Thank you, sir.